But first, a 14-year-old is dead and another teenager under arrest. New details from the courtroom. Thanks so much for joining us here for the news at 6. I'm Keisha Grant.
And I'm Mike Heideck. We start with that case in New London where a 17-year-old is accused of driving under the influence in a crash that killed a 14-year-old.
This happened last year on Fishtown Road in Mystic. Police just charged that teenage driver with manslaughter. NBC Connecticut's Amanda Pitts joining us live outside the courthouse where a hearing took place today. Amanda.
Yeah, Mike, Keisha, since that defendant is just 17 years old, that arraignment was done inside a closed courtroom and all of the details are sealed. But we did speak to the attorney of that victim's family, that 14-year-old boy who was killed in that crash. They said this is just the beginning.
Today we had an arraignment of the young man, and this is a tragic situation.
The attorney for the family of Carson Wilson says they want more than just the driver held accountable for October's fatal drunk driving crash.
We're aware that there were a number of adults which permitted this and participated in the enabling of the alcohol distribution, and we hope to hold those people accountable.
The crash happened back on October 14th on Fishtown Road in Mystic. Minutes before 1:30 a.m., police say the 17-year-old driver with 3 teen passengers went off the road and hit a tree, killing 14-year-old Carson Wilson and seriously injuring the others. Last week, Groton police charged the teen driver with second-degree manslaughter, saying he was under the influence of alcohol and was speeding.
We're aware through our own investigation that this young man attended parties throughout the county. Alcohol was served. There was a gathering in a park of several cars. Besides this arrest, we hope to hold those folks accountable. There was a massive amount of drinking and serving to minors.
Now, this case was continued to next month. We did ask that 17-year-old's father for comment as he walked out of court, but he declined to comment. Coming up at 11, we'll have much more from the Wilson family, including the positive change they hope comes from their son's death. Live in New London, Amanda Pitts, NBC Connecticut News. Guys.
Amanda, thank you.